Chapter 22, Chemistry, Theory, Video 3. Write the note on methods for following the course of a reaction, or methods to find out the rate of a reaction practically. Write down. There are two methods how data can be obtained to find the rate of a chemical reaction. Number one, sampling method. Number two, continuous method. Then write the subtopic. Sampling method. Write down. When a chemical reaction is progressing, during certain specific time intervals, samples are taken out from the reaction mixture and analyzed to determine how a certain chemical property has changed over time. For example, if the chemical reaction involves the reaction of an acid we can titrate samples to find out how the concentration has changed. Then write the second subtopic, continuous method. In this method, a physical property such as color, within brackets write, using a colorimetry, not a calorimetry, colorimetry. Using colorimetry, close brackets. Conduction, using a conductivity meter, within brackets using a conductivity meter. Or gas volume or gas pressure, is measured. Leave a line and write. To use colorimetry, there has to be the involvement of a chemical that changes color as the reaction progresses. So here they have given an example, CH3COCH3 plus I2 giving CH3COCH2I plus HI. You can write that as an example. So on the left hand side you can write brown color. On the right hand side you can write colorless. So when the reaction proceeds, the color of the iodine will fade. Then leave a line and write. If ions are present in the chemical reaction, the conductivity will change as the reaction progresses. For example, as the reaction progresses, for example, if there are ion reactants reacting to produce molecules, reacting to produce molecules, the conductivity will reduce with time. However, if molecules react together to produce ions, then the reactivity will increase. You can write this example, CH33Cbr plus H2O. In the middle of the screen you will see that CH33Cbr plus H2O giving CH33COH plus H plus Br minus. Because there are ions present, they will carry charges. As a result, there will be the conduction will increase. Leave a line and write. If in the chemical reaction, a gas is used up or produced, the change in gas volume or the pressure can be measured. Now here they have given a diagram in figure 22.3. So these simple apparatus that can be used when calcium carbonate and HCl react together to produce carbon dioxide. You can actually see this. These are practical that you can do. Leave a line and write. Leave a line, put a star and write down. When these measurements are obtained, when these measurements are obtained. When these measurements are obtained. The temperature of the setup needs to be kept constant because even a slight change in temperature can affect the rate of the chemical reaction very much. That's the note for different methods that we can follow to get data that is required to get an idea about the rate of the reaction or the course of a reaction.